Hey guys, my name is Anand. I am the CEO of Altro Smart. We are at CEDIA 2018, wrapping up the third day. I want to talk about Altro Smart. It has been an amazing feedback and response in CEDIA. What we are showcasing here is a very interesting technology, breakthrough technology, because it brings three products into one. So we have a smart lock, next generation truly smart lock, which is keyless. You've got a video doorbell integrated into it, and you've got a motion detection camera. The way it works is it's a Wi-Fi enabled lock. It can open and unlock through a digital keypad. So you see it locks, unlocks. You can also operate through a mobile app. You can close and open the door. It has also got a video doorbell, so which it means when you put a video doorbell, you can speak to guy on the door. You can see him, you can talk to him, and if you want to open the door, you can let him in. What you can also do is give guest user access to people. So when they come in, they can come in at certain time of the day or certain time of the hour, and also ensure that you have a picture, motion detection. When someone enters, you know who entered, at what time did they come in. So together, it's an all-in-one amazing device. Thank you.